Hello everybody, this is Miss Nancy from the Clearview Library District, and I am here to do story time and a craft with you. Remember that you can pick up the kids up to a week before our story time each Tuesday, and they're on a first come first served basis, so please come pick up a kid so you can do the craft after story time. Okay, we start our story time with our hello song. So let's remember some sign language to get us started. Okay, we have more. Okay, you remember that one. And together, put your thumbs up. There you go. Happier. Okay, remember your and my. And then friends. One friend, two friends. They give each other a hug. Okay, you think we can do it? We'll do it twice so we can remember, okay? Okay. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Okay, let's do it another time, okay? The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Hello everybody, it's really good to see you. Today we're going to do a book called The 12 Days of Winter. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can move over a little bit so you can see our book. And let's put on my glasses so I can see the book. And let's read The 12 Days of Winter. It's a school counting book, and it's by Deborah Lee Rose. The 12 Days of Winter. On the first day of winter, my teacher gave to me. What is the teacher going to give us on the first day of winter? A bird feeder in a snowy tree. Okay, let's see, go next. The second day. On the second day of winter, my teacher gave to me 2 teddy bears and a bird feeder in a snowy tree. You see the teddy bears? Where are they hiding? There they are, right there. That's right. On the third day of winter, my teacher gave to me 3 penguins, 2 teddy bears, and a bird feeder in a snowy tree. On the fourth day of winter, my teacher gave to me 4 weather words, 3 penguins, 2 teddy bears, and a bird feeder in a snowy tree. On the 5th day of winter, my teacher gave to me 5 gold stars, 4 weather words, 3 penguins, 2 teddy bears, and a bird feeder in a snowy tree. On the 6th day of winter, my teacher gave to me 6 socks for stuffing, 5 gold stars, 4 weather words, 3 penguins, 2 teddy bears, and a bird feeder in a snowy tree. On the 7th day of winter, my teacher gave to me 7 flakes for snipping, 1 large black cat. Okay, let's try that page again. On the 7th day of winter, my teacher gave to me 7 flakes for snipping, 6 socks for stuffing, 5 gold stars, 4 weather words, 3 penguins, 2 teddy bears, and a bird feeder in a snowy tree. On the 8th day of winter, my teacher gave to me 8 bells for ringing, 7 flakes for snipping, 6 socks for stuffing, 5 gold stars, 4 weather words, 3 penguins, 2 teddy bears, and a bird feeder in a snowy tree. On the 9th day of winter, my teacher gave to me 9 worms for watching, 8 bells for jingling, 7 flakes for snipping, 6 socks for stuffing, 5 gold stars, 4 weather words, 3 penguins, 2 teddy bears, and a bird feeder in a snowy tree. On the 10th day of winter, my teacher gave to me 10 holes for stitching, they're in it. 9 worms for watching, 8 bells for jingling, 7 flakes for snipping, 6 socks for stuffing, 5 gold stars, 4 weather words, 3 penguins, 2 teddy bears, and a bird feeder in a snowy tree. On the 11th day of winter, my teacher gave to me 11 cubes for gluing, 10 holes for stitching, 9 worms for watching, 8 bells for jingling, 7 flakes for snipping, 6 stalks for stuffing, 5 gold stars, 4 weather words, 3 penguins, 2 teddy bears, and a bird feeder in a snowy tree. This is our last day, our 12th day. On the 12th day of winter, my teacher gave to me 12 treats for tasting, 11 cubes for gluing, 10 holes for stitching, 9 worms for watching, 8 bells for ringing, 7 flakes for snipping, 6 socks for stuffing, 5 gold stars, 4 weather words, 3 penguins, 2 teddy bears. And that was the 12 Days of Winter. Did you like that one? I like that one. Okay, now I'm not going to stand up because my camera won't adjust, but I would like you guys to stand up. This is a good chance to get your wiggles out. Okay, and this song is to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Okay, so get your hands up, shake them around a little bit. Now, when I do my snowflakes, I like to do this, but you can do them however you want to up there, okay? Snowflake, snowflake in the sky, I love to watch you floating by. Down you fall upon the ground, down you fall without a sound. Snowflake, snowflake in the sky, I love to watch you floating by. Let's sing it one more time, okay? Snowflake, snowflake in the sky, I love to watch you floating by. Down you fall upon the ground, down you fall without a sound. Snowflake, snowflake in the sky, I love to watch you floating by. Did you like that one? That's a good one. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to sing our goodbye song, but we're not really saying goodbye because we have a craft to do today. Okay? So let's sing our goodbye song and then we'll get out our craft and figure out how we're going to do it. Okay? Okay. Wave high, wave low. I think it's time, we've got to go. Wave your elbows, wave your toes. Wave your tongue, and wave your nose. Wave your knees, wave your lips. Boom, 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 boom. Blow a kiss with fingertips. Wave your ears, wave your hair. Wave your belly and derriere. Wave your chin, wave your eye. Wave your hand and say goodbye. Okay, that's our story time today, but we are going to do a craft. Let me see if I can get this so that you can see it. Now, I know that you got a kit, and then it looks something like this. Okay, remember to pick those up before story time. Okay, now one thing that you're going to find in that kit is this paper. And this paper is telling you to take a picture while you're doing the story time or the craft and post it on social media. Make sure you tag us. Okay, you can also send a picture to me, Nancy at clearviewlibrary.org, and I'll put it on Facebook or on social media for you. Okay, so do send us pictures. We love to see you doing your library activities. Okay, in your kit today, you have a little pot of white paint, and you have a couple Q-tips, and then you have a piece of blue paper. Now, these are something you're going to pick up outside, and you can see I got a variety of them. Okay, now before you decide to make your tree, which is what you're going to make, with your pieces of twigs, I want you to just lay them on and see how they look. See how you want your tree to look before you start gluing, because you might want to break some of them or change things a little bit. Let's see. So just spend a little bit of time planning and playing and seeing how you think your tree should go together. Now, I have a piece here that's too long, so I'm going to break it off, okay? And I might want to add another little one down here or something, okay? And so it's okay if you break some and if you make them a little bit different than how you brought them in from outside. I'm going to break another one there. And see, then I'm going to put it there maybe, okay? Does that look like enough? It's looking pretty good, isn't it? Maybe I'll put one there. Okay, does that tree look finished? I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so now you're going to get glue. Now remember, I really like tacky glue, but you can use any kind of glue you have as long as you use lots of glue. So you're going to pick up one piece at a time and glue it on. And I would start with the big one, and I put lots of glue on the back and then set it down. And then just start gluing all your little pieces on, okay? Like I always say, use lots and lots of glue, okay? When you are done gluing, you can open up your little paint pot, and if you need an adult in your house to help you open up that paint pot, you can, because we don't want you to fling paint across the room. And then you're just going to use your Q-tip and get little bits of paint, and you can put dots wherever you want them. Now you might find that you want to have a little hill down at the bottom with a lot of snow, and you might want to put a little bit on the branches, I don't know, and then put some snowflakes in the sky. You can spend quite a bit of time putting dots with the Q-tip, and it's pretty fun. So I hope you have a really good time, but use lots of white paint and use your Q-tip a lot to make lots of dots, okay? I hope you have a really good time with this craft, and I hope you will join us next Tuesday at 10 o'clock for our next story time and a craft. Okay? It's good to see you again. Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you.